Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw the Amazing Digital Circus. We're going to go over the character of Bubble. Alright, this one should be a quick one, so we're going to go through it. If you're a beginner, stay with me. Alrighty, let's do it. And if you're a fan of, the Amazing Digital Circus, hit the like. It's going to let me know to draw more Digital Circus, okay? And yeah, alright, let's do it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with a circle shape. He's essentially a ball. And something you want to do with the ball part is, some people have an issue drawing a direct circle, just right off the bat. So if you want, you can draw like a partial circle. So right here, we can draw, a slight curve. And if you need to, you can also turn this paper, right? You don't need to turn the paper. I mean, I'm not going to turn the paper for the demonstration, but if you really need to, you can absolutely do it because your hand has a natural flow, right? If you're right-handed or left-handed, it's going to curve to one way. But yeah, so let's keep going on this circle because the slower you draw something, usually the more careful it is. If you have shaky hands, that might be an issue. I do recommend maybe you do one of the lessons off the website. I think I have the link over there, but it kind of talks about how to get rid of shaky hands. That's really very, very easy to get rid of if you have shaky hands. So we're gonna keep going over here, right? It doesn't have to be an exact circle right there. I'm pulling back, but see him coming in a little bit. Just keep going. And you're trying to guide yourself to something as close to a circle as you can. See, there's like a mark right there and a mark. A bit of a bulge over here on this side, but that doesn't matter because we're drawing, right? So what you want is you want the impression of the character more than anything else, okay? Let's go over here. We're going to give him a big smile. Line across over here. I would say like higher than halfway. But keep going over here all the way. Okay? And then I'm gonna curve along this area as well. So curve down, pull in. Okay, that's gonna be his mouth, right? His mouth portion, that's really important. Okay. And now we're gonna pull it over here, go up, down, right here. We're going into the teeth, and they're really just triangles. But the thing you want with this triangle is you want to slightly curve it back, like it's on the roundness. See how it's like slight curve, very slight, not like a completely like flat, right? And then we're gonna, so it's like it's again following the curvature of this dude here. I'm gonna keep going over here. Right on. We're gonna keep going all the way to the very end, alright? By the way, don't forget, if you have any requests, make a request of something in the comments, or say, hey, what's up? I'm gonna reply to every single comment, by the way. So if you say something right now, I'm gonna reply to it, okay? So do it right now if you have something in your mind. Okay, go over here. Circle for the eye. And we're gonna go over here, and so when you have something that's closer to you, right, like that, like a flat surface like that, think of like a coin. When it's basically gonna follow the curvature of the circle, the other one, and it's gonna be a little bit more flat to us. So like imagine a coin sitting on the surface here, as opposed to a coin sitting on that side over there. A coin is gonna look more like this, and we're gonna do it something like that. Okay, we filled that in there, the eye. Now we're going to go back here. We're going to fill in this eye right there. Don't forget, by the way, pick up the free ebook. There's a lot of free stuff you can get. There's a free How to Draw Cute ebook. It's going to be in the description. It absolutely will help you how to draw anything cute if you're interested. It is a 20-page ebook. Used to be $30. Now it is free for watching this video. So go to the link right now. I'm going to go right here. Draw a circle for the highlight. And then we're gonna fill it out here, kind of right there. Right on. And that's it. That's it. You have that character. That is a Bubble from the Amazing Digital Circus. Okay? I hope that was easy for you. If it was easy, definitely give me that like. Like I said, definitely give me the like if it was simple. And if you have any other requests, one last thing I'm going to do right here is I'm going to draw a thick, a slightly thicker line around the edge, just to kind of fix, you know, it kind of hides errors when you put like a thicker line, unless you make new errors, which is a bad idea. But I want you to stay there, and we're going to do another drawing together, okay? So stick around. We're going to do another, one second, continue over here. Let's do another one of these together, okay? Share the video if you haven't, but let's do another video drawing lesson together right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.